Hi guys, have a nice day and thank you for watching Boys sa Dubai videos. And today guys, I will share to all of you the 10 ways how to apply job here in Dubai. Okay, so let's start now guys. Number one, it is important for you to get a Dubai mobile number, so especially to those who just came here in Dubai. For you to get a Dubai mobile number, you need to present a valid ID, especially your passport. So, ang mobile networks dito sa Dubai are Do and Etisalat, okay? And for number two, during the time that you are preparing for your resume or for your CV, it is important guys that you have to tailor, okay, your resume based on the position that you are applying, okay? And make sure that all of your job experiences should be included in your first page pa lang. The reason for that is, of course, most of the employers here are actually like receiving hundreds of resumes. So mabilis yung scanning nila, and then first page pa lang at nakitaan ka na nila that you have experience on the position na you're applying, maaring i-shortlist ka nila kagad and you will be scheduled for interview. And make sure guys that your resume or your CV should just be with maximum of 2 pages lang. Kasi the more na makapal yun, boring, okay? Wala silang time para pag-aralan lahat yung resume mo, okay? And it is also important guys that you have to have the best ID picture na ilalagay nyo sa resume nyo, because of course, yung resume mo yung magbebenta ng sarili mo sa employers mo, right? Hindi nila alam kung gaano ka-gwapo sa totoong buhay or kung gaano ka-okay nang hindi ka pa nila nakikilala in person. Okay? And you have to make sure to save that CV or resume in your computer or in USB, and pwede na po kayo mag-photocopy ng marami, okay? For distribution. Kasi dito, the more na marami ka na-distribute na resume mo, mas malaki yung chance mo na makakuha ng trabaho. And for number 3 guys is of course, start applying online. Okay? Napakadami po mga website dito sa Dubai na maaari nyo pag-applyin online while nasa bahay kayo. Let's say tinatamad kayong umalis or wala kayong budget. I always recommend some of the websites na pwede nyo pong applyan, which I'm going to write down in the description box below. But then yung kadalasan po ditong pinakasikat po na website na pwede nyo pag-applyan ay ang www.dubizzle.com. Just have to filter, okay, yung jobs in Dubai, or let's say you're in Sharjah, you're in Al Ain, you're in Abu Dhabi, o kung saang parte dito ng Dubai. And isa po sa mga tip na binibigay ko po sa lahat, try to apply during early morning, like 3 AM to 4 AM. And the reason for that is because kapag nagbukas po kasi ng website yung company na in-applyan mo, normally ang nakikita nila yung mga recently sent messages So mauuna ka sa mga nagpasa na maaari nilang mapansin, okay? And then make sure guys that during you are sending your email to their website, make sure po dun sa part na subject, you have to indicate guys if how many years is your experience related to that position, okay? And now for number 4, start doing the walk-in. Magwo-walk-in na po kayo. So it depends on kung anong trabaho yung target mo. You have to go that place. Let's say if you wanted to become a waiter, try to visit some restaurants, okay? And try to ask kabayans kung may mga hiring sila, and most of them actually are just going to give you their website also na pwede mong pag-a-applyan. But if you're applying for office, try guys to search sa mga head office addresses ng mga companies na gusto mong puntahan, okay? And also, if you wanted to work, of course, in the hotel, pwede kayo magpasa ng resume nyo sa mga hotel lobbies, okay? Maaari din kayo matulungan. They might also give you their website, kasi mostly yata ngayon through website na yung applications. Alright? And for number 5 guys, try to ask referrals. Okay, pag sinabi natin referrals, it can be your friends, okay, or Facebook friends, or friends of your friends, or churchmates, or even yung tipong join some events. Mari ka may makikilalang kabayan doon, and then you can ask na baka may alam silang job openings, okay? So it is better that you start from housemates. Yung mga kasama mo sa bahay, baka may opening sa kumpanya nila. So mas madali po na, mas maganda kasi if you're applying a job with may referral ka mismo dun sa loob. Okay? And for number 6 guys, is you can also apply via newspaper. Pwede kayong bumili ng Golf News, or alam ko dito may mga free Kabayan Magazine, or yung free magazine po ng Dubai Metro, yung Read magazine nila, meron din po silang classified ads page na maaari nyo pong tingnan, maaring makakita kayo ng mga job opening dyan na you might be qualified. Okay? And for number 7 guys, you can also visit or search some Facebook pages. May mga groups na po dito ngayon sa Dubai na nag-share sila ng mga job openings. One of the famous na alam ko po is yung M2M Jobs, na kung saan sobrang dami po dyan na maaring may makilala kayo, nag-walk-in sila, may mga announcement dyan for, let's say, grand opening or grand interview ng isang malaking kumpanya dito at kung ano-ano pa. Alright? And I will also share some of the other Facebook pages sa description box ko. Okay, and for number 8 guys, you can also make an ads or advertisement about your interest na maghanap ng trabaho. One of which ang alam ko po is you can also do that in dobizzle.com. Pwede po kayo gumawa ng account nyo dun and then you can also make an ad, let's say that a Filipino with 7 years experience in sales would like to apply for this position, and this is my contact number. Okay, or pwede rin po sa Golf News. I know Golf News, nag-o-offer din sila ng free advertisements na pwede nyo rin pong gawin. Pero at least, habang nag-walk-in kayo or nag-a-apply kayo online, yung Golf News is also working for you, and ma-surprise ka na lang may tatawag sa yung employer. Okay, and for number 9 guys, is during your interview, there is a chance of course na may makakasabay ka during your interview ng kabayan din. Pwede mo silang kaibiganin. Okay? And then, kunin yung contact number nila, pwede na kayong sabay na mag-apply sa kung saan may mga job openings. Okay? Makakatipid ka pa sa pamasahe mo, mawawala pa yung takot mo na nag-iisa ka lang pupunta sa ganito napakalayong lugar. Right? So, that's one of the best din na pwede nyo gawin. And the last one is of course, Job It Forward. Okay? There are some posts, especially my post in Facebook, search nila po yung hashtag Job It Forward, na maaari pong may mga job openings na pinupost ng mga tao sa Facebook dito sa Dubai na maaari pong makatulong din sa'yo. Okay? But then, payo ko dito, after kumbaga, after mo ma-hire, do the Job It Forward din. Okay? If you have job openings sa kumpanyang mapapasukan mo. Alright, so I think that's all for today guys. Sana po makatulong po ito sa lahat ng mga Filipinos na naghahanap po ng trabaho dito sa Dubai. That's all guys. Have a nice day. Ciao! God bless you all. Ito po, I think I'm talking Tagalog again.